In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lee County and north central Illinois, Oakland County and north central Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 6 miles southeast of Milledgeville, 8 miles north of Sterling, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include
take this into the light.
Mount Morris, Lincoln, Rochelle, Polo, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Byron, Stillman Valley, Hillcrest, Leaf River, Davis Junction, Stewart, and Creston. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southeastern Iowa, northwestern Greene, and southwestern County.